Okay, here we are at Senado Square, in English Senate Square. There's something different happened here. You can kind of see, oh, there's a, I'm gonna see one of my friends here for a second. All right, and we're gonna come back to this in a minute and I'll go all around. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna capture this, and let me just kind of show you everything that's around here. So this is just basic Senado Square that you've probably seen in many videos. The post office is right there. The Apollo used to be an old theater as well. This goes to San Malo, to some churches. And then you have Manning's, and then right here we have this beautiful fountain. And the new thing here, it actually feels a little bit more like Europe because you're gonna see musicians now, and there's a little outdoor court where you can buy food and beer. So let's just kind of check it out. So you got some jazz music here. Then we have these, that's what these all are too. Popcorn, egg tarts. Then you have all these. And then you have this right here. Live music. So I don't know, this is new. They haven't had this in the whole 7 years that I've been here. They've had sometimes they have live music that they'll set it up over by another area. But I've never seen this part here. So this part is ice cream. Let's just go through it real quick. Ice cream, tea, sanitizer. Let's see. And beer. So the last one was beer. You can get beer for 15 baht, which is a little less than $2 American. But I think it comes in a plastic cup. So this is Senado Square right there. Beautiful lights. Got this beautiful space now. So let's walk this way. I'm gonna catch this music for a little bit. That's kind of cool.
Thanks for joining us. We take a 15-minute break and see you later. Thanks.
Good timing. Good timing that we caught that. So this is basically this kind of cool little spot right here. Let's go down a little bit. See, I can get your beer here. You got that there. So yeah, this is all new. And they think it might only last a week maybe, or a month, I mean, maybe just a month of August. Okay, so let's focus on the Senado Square area. And I guess maybe we'll call it right there. We'll do another video, something different for the next part. Chiquinha.